I'm going to show you real quick how to turn on and connect your Instagram to your Meta Business Suite. So the first thing that you're going to do here, you're going to log into your Facebook and then go to your page. And once you've got your page, the goal is to get to the Meta Business Suite, which is a little bit different than what's typical. So you'll go into your Facebook, log into your page, let it load, and then you'll want to make sure that you go to your Instagram account and make sure you're actually logged in on it. And then once you're here, you're going to go to the left, and you're going to go down to the Meta Business Suites, which can be hidden. Sometimes you got to Google it to find it. So here, it's this Meta Business Suite. Once we click on that, it should bring us to this place. And here's the magic. So what I need people to do is you got to log in and hit this right here and go to Get Started or Connect your Instagram account. It's going to have you log in your Instagram account, connect everything. Follow that through. It's a really important step. There's like the back end ads and then this. So please do that and we can get you rolling.